Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, the chapter that we are going to study is chapter number 9 from Paramount Computers Made Friendly, second revised edition for class 8. So let's start it. Chapter 9, Local Area Network. Overview means the thing that we are going to study in this chapter are network, LAN, elements, and many others, but these are the points that I have mentioned here, though these points we will cover inshallah in this lecture. Proceeding further, the very first point, network. As I have mentioned in the overview slide, network word and its definition. Basically, it is not just restricted to the subject that is computer. Whereas network, you are living in a networking society. It's basically a connection between two people, connection between societies, connection between countries, through which you can receive and send information, through which you can communicate basically. But if we just talk about its computer definition, it is basically a group of two or more devices, group of two or more computers that can communicate, that can send and receive files, that can exchange their data and else. So now, network is obviously it's having types, but the most common types of networks are LAN and WAN. LAN is local area network and WAN is wide area network. But the chapter that we are gonna study is local area network, so we will basically study and we will deeply discuss about local area network, not about wide area network. I will give you a just short or brief introduction of WAN. So this picture defines itself. LAN is basically a network, local, the word local itself describing local matlab within a area, within a limited area. It basically LAN basically connects computer within limited areas such as school, laboratories, hospitals. You can take example of it. Whereas WAN, if you just look at the picture here, there are different groups that are interconnected with each other. So WAN basically covers a larger geographic area. Now, what is LAN? LAN stands for local area network, and the definition that we are gonna utilize in this chapter is a local area network. LAN is a collection of devices connected together in one physical location, such as building, office, or home, or an hospital, or a school. What else you want to mention here? Next comes elements. Elements, basically there are some basic elements that are utilized, that are the basic resources through which you can connect through a local area network. These are basically the essentials. So the very first point is a network adapter card installed in each of the computers. So it's a necessity. Now what's it, network adapter card? Network adapter is an adapter that basically connects computer. तो वो एक तो इंस्टॉल होना चाहिए आपके कंप्यूटर में. They must be connected by a cable via network adapter, केबल के थ्रू कनेक्ट हो. एंड द थर्ड इज़ जो नेटवर्क अडाप्टर है उसका सॉफ्टवेयर भी इंस्टॉल होना चाहिए ईच ऑफ द कंप्यूटर में. नाउ अगर आप अपना कंप्यूटर लाते हैं, आपके घर में कंप्यूटर आया है, तो आप उसके ऊपर म्यूज़िक वगैरह ऑन करेंगे या वीडियो वगैरह चलाएंगे तो आपको आवाज़ नहीं आएगी, बिकॉज फर्स्ट योर कंप्यूटर डिमांड्स अ ड्राइवर, अ सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर योर साउंड. तो उसका आप ड्राइवर इंस्टॉल करते हैं तो उसके बाद ही आप आवाज़ सुन सकते हैं। सेम इस तरह सब अडाप्टर को आपने अगर साथ इंजेक्ट कर दिया है तो उसके बाद उसको सॉफ्टवेयर भी इंस्टॉल करना होगा, सो दैट सॉफ्टवेयर एग्जीक्यूट करवाए उससे और इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे। सो दिस वाज ऑल, इट इज़ ऑन योर पेज नंबर 96। फर्स्ट 2 टॉपिक्स जो हैं वो हमने कवर किए हैं, फर्दर हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में करेंगे इंशाल्लाह। तो आपने इसको पढ़ना है अच्छे से, और कोई भी क्वेरीज हों तो आप बता सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं जो आपके ग्रुप्स बने हुए हैं। सो थैंक यू सो वेरी मच। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।